Hey Cupcakes, so today we're gonna do something a little different from our usual content. I'm gonna show you and teach you how I make some of my newer live and actively moving backgrounds. So we're gonna do something simple. We're gonna do like a fiery background where it looks like you're surrounded by flames. First things first, you got to open your editor. I'm using a mobile editor. This is the one I use. As you can see, I use an editor called Video Guru. You can do this with any form of editor. This is just the one I preferably like to use. Now you're going to click on New Project. Once you do that, it will open to a page where you can select videos and photos. Now we are going to switch to the Material tab and select a random color. I highly recommend using black, as this will be easier to overlay over the video. Now select effect. Here you can find a lot of different effects you can use. I'm going to use this one that kind of looks like a smoke. Now it's time to do some layering. You're going to tap on Pip and go straight to the Material tab and to blend. There are several overlay options for fire, but we are going to start off with this one I'm circling right now. Once you have selected your overlay, it's going to appear small and you're going to have to adjust it. You can either select full or become fitted, which is that button over there I'm highlighting, or you can just adjust it yourself manually by using the little arrow on the side on the screen there. Tap on animation. This will show you a bunch of little effects you can use to change how something fades in or out, basically, how it transitions. And you can adjust the time frame. You gotta repeat that process. For this editor, you can only do it 3 times. As you can see, I've been using this menu. This menu is full of functions you can use to adjust, blend, and improve and alter basically these overlays that we are using right now. We are not finished crafting this background, so we are going to have to export this and then we repeat the process we used to create this current version. Here is the export button and they will show you a little menu. On this menu, you can determine and select your quality for this video. You can do a simple 3 layers, but for me personally, this background needs more, so I'm adding 2 more. We're repeating the same process we did with the first video. Now it should be looking something similar to this. Moving on, select your background you want to use for your video, then overlay with your fire background. Go to blend and play around with the filters, adjust it. After that, I suggest green screen your character, then crop it a little bit, do the whole color selection and click confirm. Then you overlay them with another fire blend overlay, and it should look like this now. That's it. That's how you create a live, active, moving fire background. This trick that I personally love to use works like magic.